Good evening. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. May I take your order?
Good evening. Yes. I like chicken sandwich and a glass of iced tea.
Would you like anything else?
Yes. I also have side of chocolate cake.
Sure. Would you like your sandwich with fries or salad?
Fries, please.
Alright. So that's one of chicken sandwich with fries, a glass of iced tea, and a slice of chocolate cake.
That's correct.
Okay. Your order will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Please enjoy your meal.
Okay.
Nakinom.